Hello guys, welcome back to my another video. Today video is about biology ETA MCQs. So the first MCQs is which layer of the heart wall is responsible for its pumping action? A. Endocardium, B. Myocardium, C. Epicardium, D. Pericardium. So the correct option is myocardium. What is the function of the pericardium? A. To pump blood. B. To produce blood cells. C. To protect and ensure the heart. C. To regulate heart rate. C as the correct option. Which blood vessel carries blood away from the heart? A. Vein. B. Capillary. C. Artery. D. Venule. So the correct option is C. Artery. What type of blood is found in the pulmonary artery? A. Oxygenated blood. B. Deoxygenated blood. C. Mixed blood. D. Plasma. So the correct option is deoxygenated blood. B is the correct option. So the next MCQ is which of the following is a component of the systematic circulation? A. Pulmonary veins. B. Pulmonary artery. C. Aorta. D. Right ventricle. So the correct option is aorta. C is the correct option. What is the primary function of arterioles? A. To carry blood from to the heart. B. To carry blood away from the heart. C. To regulate blood flow into capillaries. D. To exchange gases and nutrients. So the correct option is C. To regulate blood flow into capillaries. What structure prevents blood from flowing back into the right ventricle? A. Mitral valve. B. Tricuspid valve. C. Aortic valve. And D. Pulmonary valve. So the correct option is D. Pulmonary valve. What is the main function of the capillary network and tissues? A. To transport blood to and from the heart. B. To exchange gases and nutrients and waste. C. To store blood. D. To filter blood. So the correct option is B. To exchange gases, nutrients and waste. Which of the following component of blood is involved in clot formation? A. Plasma. B. Red blood cell. C. White blood cells. And D. Platelets. So the correct option is D. Platelets. What is the main component of plasma? A. Protein. B. Water. C. Red blood cell. D. Hormone. So the correct option is B. Water. Hope you like the video. If you like the video and want this type of video, please subscribe the channel, like the video and press the bell icon to receive this type of video. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.